If any vehicle moves at heading angle greater than plus or minus 20 degree to the host vehicle, AAB system may not detect collision possibility. Driver must be alert and take control. Camera experiences poor visibility in sunlight or any other light source. AAB system may not function as intended. Driver must be alert and take control of the vehicle. At night, if the preceding vehicle's tail lamps are not working properly or mounting positions are unusual, system may not function as intended. Driver shall be alert and take control of the vehicle. System may not consider if a pedestrian jumps or runs into the vehicle lane and very closer to vehicle. Driver shall be alert and take control of vehicle. In the case of pedestrians whose body part is obscured by umbrellas, bags, special clothes, etc., detection may not be accurate, and system may not function as intended. Driver shall be alert and take control of vehicle. If camera illumination is low or experiences poor visibility, system may not function as intended. System may not function as intended with pedestrians of smaller height. There is a risk of collision at close cut-in of adjacent lane vehicles. Driver shall be alert and take control of vehicle. The radar considers rear surface of the vehicle driving in the AAB vehicle driving direction as target. Therefore, there is a risk of collision for vehicles moving at right angles to the direction of intersection or for vehicles taking right or left turning. Due to the vertical angle limit of the radar, it is impossible to detect the front target in uphill and downhill. When trucks or special vehicles have load beyond the load body length, AAB system may consider target as front preceding vehicle bumper due to the sensor detection limit and vehicle may collide with load. In case of sensor contamination, detection will be poor and collision with the front preceding vehicle and pedestrians may occur. Driver should take control of the vehicle. Due to the sensor limitation, when driving on large curved roads, collision may occur with the front preceding vehicle or pedestrian. Driver must take control of the vehicle. In adverse environment conditions like snow, rain, fog, etc., the sensor's field of vision is affected and may cause collision between the vehicle and pedestrians ahead. Driver must take control of the vehicle. If a construction section, railroad track, or other metallic object is on the road, AAB or FCW will not work. AAB system does not react for potholes. AAB system does not function for speed breakers. Driver must be alert and take control of the vehicle. AAB system does not function for barricades or cones or barrels. Driver must be alert and take control of the vehicle. AAB system does not function for oncoming vehicles. Driver must be alert and take control of the vehicle. AAB system does not function for animals. Driver must be alert and take control of the vehicle. AAB system is subject to certain limitations and may be unavailable or only partially available in the following situations.